The start-stop button for the SF90 is located at the bottom center of the steering wheel. You can press the button once to turn on accessory mode, or press and hold to turn the vehicle on. Unlike previous Ferraris, the SF90 has both a Manettino and an electric Manettino, both located on the steering wheel. The electric Manettino has 4 options: e-drive, hybrid, performance, and qualifying. When you turn the SF90 on, the car defaults to hybrid mode. Hybrid mode uses a combination of both the internal combustion engine and the electric motors. This mode focuses on efficiency and will pull power from the engine when the driver's actions require it. This mode also uses the engine and regenerative braking to recharge the battery while driving. E-drive. This option is full electric. This is ideal for driving in the city and urban roads. In full electric, the car has a range of 15 miles and a top speed of roughly 85 miles per hour. E-drive will automatically switch to hybrid mode once the battery is discharged. Performance. Performance is always focusing on battery charge so that the power demands are always available at the driver's request. Qualifying. Both the ICE and electric motors work in full power in terms of fun to drive. As long as the battery is charged, the internal combustion engine will not work to charge the battery and solely focuses on providing power to the wheels. Only when the battery is completely discharged will the ICE, along with regenerative braking, work to provide charge to the electric motors. Manettino. The physical Manettino is located on the bottom right of the steering wheel. The dial has 5 different selections: wet, sport, race, CT off, and ESC off. Wet offers maximum stability, traction, and comfort. Sport is used for dynamic driving. Race is used for a sportier driving feel. CT off is used for maximum driving fun. And ESC off is used for extreme driving fun. To access ESC off, you will turn the dial to ESC off and hold for 3 seconds. This will disable all stability control functions. Please note that all Manettino functions are disabled when the vehicle is in electric drive mode. Multimedia controls. To view your options in the multimedia screen, you can scroll with the touchpad on the right-hand side of the steering wheel. Swipe up or down on the pad to view your options. To select an option, press in the center of the touchpad. To return to the previous screen, you can press the back button to the left of the touchpad. Located on the back of the steering wheel are the audio controls. High beams, automatic high beams, cruise control speed setting, turn indicator, windscreen wiper washer, windscreen wiper speed controller. To adjust the side view mirrors, you will use the panel to the left of the steering wheel. On the panel, select which mirror you would like to adjust. Once the mirror is selected, you can swipe up, down, left, or right to adjust the mirror. The button to fold in both mirrors is located at the top left-hand side of the mirror adjustment panel. Located on the driver's side door are the buttons for the fuel tank and the charging port. To access the charging port, press the button on the door and then press the button on the secondary charging port cover. With the hatch open and the charging cable plugged into the wall, insert the charger. Use the button on the driver's side door to access the fuel tank.